So I'm going to take one of these little box from Dollar Tree, comes already like that in gold. I'm going to take some floral foam, put some hot glue, and then attach it to the middle like that, just attach it into place. Then I grab one of these sticks, they have it in Walmart like for 74 cents, something like that. I spray painted in gold. You don't have to if you don't want to. Then just go ahead and put some hot glue all the way around it and also at the bottom. And then just place it inside the floral foam until you attach it into place like that. Then after that, I'm going to grab one of these floor foam like a bowl. I made a hole like that, just place it inside to make a hole and then put some hot glue, and this is just to attach it into place. So then put enough hot glue and then you're gonna go ahead and place it on top like that until it attach into place. Then once you do that, I'm gonna take this moss, and they have this in Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and put some hot glue on top like that, and then I'm going to attach it to the floral foam like that. So you're just gonna go ahead and do this all the way around it. But one way that you guys can do it that is better to attach it is if you put the hot glue in the floor foam first and then put the moss on top, just so it can attach better into place. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my flower and place it inside. Don't forget to use a toothpick to attach it into place as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a few flower all the way around it until I do the whole thing with different colors of the flowers. Then you could also use this white one. This one didn't have nothing to attach, but you could always attach it with hot glue or just put a toothpick on the side like that and then just attach it inside into place, or just attach it with hot glue. It's up to you. Then I'm gonna fill up my box with more moss on top like that inside. Just go ahead and fill it up all the way until you are done filling the whole thing out. Then after that, I'm just gonna decorate it at the bottom as well. Just put a few little white branches, and I'm also gonna put a few flowers on the side as well, just to make it extra cute. And then after that, I'm gonna grab balloons. You can grab any color you're doing. I'm gonna grab this balloon stick, and I'm going to use the top of the balloon holder like that. I'm gonna place my balloon and just attach it to the balloon holder like that, and then I'm going to place it inside to attach it into place. But the best way to do it, you guys, is just put some hot glue and then just put it through it, and then it will attach perfectly fine. Then I got this candle holder as well. I'm going to go ahead and put some hot glue around it, and I'm going to place it on top like that, and then go ahead and grab your candle and place it inside. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So cute, so easy, and so inexpensive that you guys can do at home. I think it came out great. And the good thing about this one, you could do it different colors and can be used for any party themed decorations, which I think it looks great and it's easy for you guys to do at home. Now you could also, this is with a candle, but then this one is with the balloon, the white balloons, but you could also do it with any color balloon, and I think it looks great. Or you could also do it with any color of the flower. It's up to you how you want to decorate your party decorations. Now for the next idea, I'm going to grab one of these little candle holder from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put some hot glue and attach a glass on top. And then I'm going to take my moss and place it inside, and then place flower all the way onto the top. And then I'm going to take my floral foam with flower bouquet and place it on top. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This one is like more like a simple look. If you want like a little short versions, you could put it on a glass if you would like as well. I'm just showing you a different idea, then you can decide which one you like. And this one is more for taller versions. If you wanted to look taller, I got one of those candle holders from Dollar Tree. They come up in black. I just spray painted in gold, and I'm just showing you different ways that you guys can places if you want a taller version or smaller versions. And now this one is more with a white candle holder. This is like in between, in the middle. You decide which one you like. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.